Good morning, good morning. It's a beautiful sunny day outside, and today we are exploring Sapporo. Good morning. It's our second day of exploration here in Sapporo. So today I decided na medyo chill lang muna tayo and relax muna tayo. We'll do the parks, some parks lang, ikot lang, shopping street and all of that. Pero that's more of just like seeing Sapporo, the city. Parang ganun. Tayo ay mag-iikot lang dito sa Sapporo, the city. And katulad ng sa may Odori, ganyan, yung sa TV station. And then maybe a park or something to check out kung nagbo-bloom na. So, we'll try to see what the city has to offer. And because this is Japan, alam nyo naman ang favorite ko dito is yung McGriddle. Dito sa may Susukino pala ang area natin. So, it's quiet by day and a little bit red light district by night. Ang oras pala ngayon is, ano pa lang yata, wala pang 7 o'clock. So, I think we're good. Okay? Lakad muna tayo. Guys, I cannot tell you how happy I am because of this. The little joys of life. Nakakatuwa. I'm really so happy about this. I know medyo mababaw siya. Pero it really does make me happy. Kasi nami-miss ko to. Guys, ito yung Chikagai Pool Town. Ito yung underground mall complex that connects Susukino to Odori Station. So, ito yung, kung nagre-research kayo, ito yung place na where life continues pag sobrang winter or mas snow sa taas or sobrang lamig or umuulan, of course. So, ito yung iti-take natin today. We'll try to walk this underground town. And then, labas natin is Odori Station. Okay? So right now, dahil medyo maaga pa, sarado pa silang lahat. Pero I can see the stalls that are here para talagang, parang it has everything. Merong breakfast place, may Krispy Kreme, bilihan ng sapatos, damit. Actually, hinahanap ko na lang dito kung meron siyang grocery. Siguro sobrang kumpleto na niya. It has everything, pati mga ATM, connected siya dito sa Mega Donkey. So, pag may kailangan ka sa taas, aakyat ka lang. So, ang galing, nakakatuwa lang na parang this is their way of adapting to the somewhat harsh weather during the winter. So, they could still function and life can still be normal. So, pag iniisip mo siya, para siyang yung mga sa sci-fi movie na gumawa sila ng underground village or underground town. Diba? We are now here at Odori Park. Tatawid lang tayo. May gulay. Pwede mo pala siyang mamiss. Because it's like a big stretch naman. Kaya lang, syempre, di ba, parang pag hindi mo siya alam. Lalo na siguro kung covered to ng snow, parang isipin mo, nasaan siya. Oh wow, the weather is just so good. Naghahanap lang ako ng, oh it's 10 degrees, no, nakalagay sa taas. It's 10 degrees right now and hindi naman masyadong, what they call this, mahangin. So it's just perfect. Akala ko kasi yung weather magiging mga 15 ganun, kaya naka-trench coat lang ako. Pero yan ang tinatawag nilang consequences. Teka, tawid lang tayo. And then we'll see and explore the park. Nasa harap ko na yung TV station, yung may clock, and right now it's 8:49. Papaikot ko siya sa'yo. Ayan siya. Boom! Yun, no? Diba? Pero honestly, ang tinatarget ko dito, yung may nakalagay na Sapporo, tas nakasmile. Yan. Nasa harap ko na siya, kaya lang may ano eh, may mga taong gumagawa. Nakakahiya naman. Diba? Pero yan siya, oh. Wala na ba? Wala na ba yun? Wala na bang ibang ganon? Isa lang ba yun? Ayun, meron pa isa dun. Meron pa sa taas. Sorry yung intrusive to. Ayan o, kasi tingnan mo. Ayan o. Oh, di ba? Cute. Pero meron pa naman daw isa dun. So, dun na lang. Di ba? My gosh, para ako nasa Edmonton ulit. Pero syempre, mas maganda naman yung saan ba mas maganda pag ganito? Yung weather. Siguro parang dito. So medyo chill pa. Kasi there it can get really can really get super cold and then super hot. Okay. Nakakatuwa naman ang Odori Park. Yes. We are finally here. Nandito na tayo sa TV Tower here at Odori Park. And yun talaga yung gusto kong mag-picture, yung merong Sapporo and then nakasmile. So, tingnan natin kung kaya pa banda doon. Kasi they're working on it right now. So anyway, this is Odori Park. It's one long stretch of, hindi naman ganun kalaking park, but it just goes very long. And it spans siguro a couple of blocks. Tapos nandito siya sa immediate, siguro parang end niya, itong TV tower. Yan yun. So siguro hindi naman nakakahiya kung magpipicture tayo, di ba? O, pipicture lang ako. And now, since cherry blossom is upon us, indeed, kailangan nating i-collect yung ating mga sakura trees na makikita. Starting off with this one. Ta-da! Yan. And now we'll just do a relaxing stroll here at Odori Park. And then, daanan lang natin yung mga cherry blossoms na nagbo-bloom na. I'm sure marami silang iba-ibang kinds dito. But, marami na akong nakita. Tapatan lang natin sila and see how much we can cover dito sa stretch ng park na to. Ito pa, yung isa sa likod ko. So as you can see, nagpe-prepare na yung city for the spring. Marami na nagtatanim ng halaman, nililinisan nila yung mga fountain because of the winter, syempre. So yon. Kaya nakakatuwa. Everyone's in a cleanup mode. And I think, ayan o, kita nyo. Tinataniman na nila ng mga flowers. Tulad niyan, yan. Saan ba? Ayan. So, nagtatanim na sila. So, things like that don't magically happen. Diba? People really intentionally do that and make it happen. Guys, itong nasa likod ko, sobrang ganda niya. As in, super ganda. Pero tawid muna tayo. And then let's see some other blossoms that may have sprouted today. So, malapit na tayo sa dulo ng Odori Park. Siguro 1 block away na lang siya. So, ituloy lang natin siya and then we can hang out or probably have coffee. Bahala na. Tapusin lang natin yung park and then we can go to our next plan. Is the Olympic symbol for the 1972 Winter Olympics here in Sapporo, Japan. Now we are here at my favorite electronics store chain. It's Yodobashi camera. I don't know, for some reason mas gusto ko siya kaysa sa Bic. I was hoping that the DJI Pocket 4 Pro would have been released, kaya lang yung standard lang ang na-release nila, and I think it's going to be released tomorrow officially here at the store. So tingnan lang natin kung anong meron. Alam nyo, bago nung pandemic, pag nasa Japan ako dati, pumupunta talaga ako sa Yodobashi. Isang dahilan is dahil sa mga massage chairs nila. Kasi after a long day of walking, pwede ka pumunta doon, you can try it. Aray, nung nag-pandemic, binawalan na nila, naka-plastic na lahat. Tsaka hindi na pwedeng i-try. So ngayon, imagine my shock. Nandito ko sa Sapporo, pwede na siya uli. So ito, nagre-relax lang tayo at ang sarap nitong machine na to. Ibang klase itong isang to, it's Panasonic. Tapos meron siya dito, nilalagay mo yung areas dun sa body mo na gusto mong i-address niya. So sobrang ganda, nakakatuwa. Enjoy ko lang ha. In-update ko lang kayo kung nasan ako. Okay, papamassage lang ako. Libre to, guys. Okay, bye. So So nakabalik na tayo dito sa Sapporo Station and ang target natin ngayon is to go back to Susukino dahil kakain tayo sa Sapporo Engine. At yun daw apparently ang one of the best na miso ramen dito sa Sapporo and perhaps sa buong Japan. So, let's go. Nandito na tayo ngayon dito sa Sapporo Engine Ramen and buti na lang walang masyadong tao. Siguro dahil magko-close siya ng 3:30 or tapos na yung what do you call this? Tapos na yung rush. So we ordered the number 1, the miso ramen, the Sapporo Engine Ramen. Yun yung ating in-order. So, gutom na ako. I hope it's really good. Thank you. Guys, dumating na siya. Ganito siya kalaki. Parang isang palanggana siya. And the miso, I think, is imimix nila siya dun sa dun sa broth niya. Ubusin ko muna to and then mag-rest muna tayo dun sa hotel. Kakatapos lang natin kumain, naglakad lang tayo ng about 2 blocks and now tayo ay naglalakad pa uwi para makapag-recharge literally ng mga gadget natin. And we are now here, parang sponsor, and this is our accommodation here in Susukino. It's Travel Lodge Susukino. So dito tayo nakastay and okay naman siya, very spacious and medyo malaki-laki yung room, so nakikita niyo naman. So anyway, mag rest muna tayo. We'll charge our gadgets and then siguro maybe in an hour or so let's just firm up lang natin yung the rest of our day and then basta naman tayo. Okay, let's go.